Okay, so you want to know how to post or tweet in x.com or twitter.com? Well, the first thing you have to do is to have an account so you can create a new one. In my case, I'm going to do that. So I'm doing random selections here. So as you can see, this email is already taken, so I already have an account, so I'm going to do a pause and log into that account. So once you're here in the main screen of Twitter, you have to press this button here in the left side, post, and then you can write whatever you want. For example, hello, this is a easy way video, sorry, an easy way video. So you post it, go to profile, and as you can see, I already have my tweet, my post here. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and press the button in the bell. So goodbye.